Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Google Finance. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/finance. Then log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, open a new tab and type chrome//flags into the address bar. When you enter that, you'll see this site here. From the search bar, search for dark mode. It's important to note that Google Finance does not have a built-in dark mode setting, so we're going to switch to dark mode using this option. You'll see Auto Dark Mode for web contents. By default, this should be set to default. Click on the drop-down menu and select Enabled. After that, for the changes to take effect, click Relaunch and give it a few moments. Once your browser restarts, go back to Google Finance and this is how it should look, now in dark mode. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.